Hi everyone, welcome to another English teaching episode with me, Teacher Taylor, brought to you by East Meets West Language Solutions. Today we are going to continue with two more conversational English idioms. We can also call these English expressions. These English expressions are going to be about boats. Not actual boats that you ride on in the ocean or a river. These are boats of a different kind. The first idiom is miss the boat. Miss the boat means to miss an opportunity. For example, someone already bought that house. You missed the boat this time. Example number 2. Don't miss the boat on getting a good deal on a new car. The sale ends tomorrow. The first example is past tense. You missed the boat. The opportunity has already left. A good way to think about this English expression is that if you are trying to get onto a boat, maybe to go on a vacation or maybe to travel across the world for whatever reason, but you need to get to the boat. If the boat leaves before you get there, then you missed the boat. It left already. Now, we can use this to make an analogy with opportunity. If you want to do something important, maybe buy something, go somewhere, participate in an activity, and it already happens and you did not get to do it, if you did not get to buy that house, if you did not get to play that game or meet those people, you missed that opportunity. You missed the boat. If we want to use this in the past tense, if we want to use this in the present tense, then we can say something like, don't miss the boat on getting a deal on a new car. The sale ends tomorrow. So I'm telling you, don't miss this opportunity. I'm not saying that you will miss the opportunity. I'm saying don't miss the opportunity. We could also say people miss the boat all the time on things that they want to buy or deals that they want to make. That's another example of a present tense use of miss the boat. But just remember that it means to miss an opportunity. You can apply this in many situations. You can use this in formal conversations and informal conversations. You could use this with your boss or with your family members, depending on the situation. Okay, now that we've learned this first idiom or expression about boats, let's look at the next one. In the same boat. This is another very common English expression, and it means simply you're in the same situation. Here are two examples. The first one is, we're in the same boat. We both forgot our homework. That is used in conversation, as I have the quotations. We're in the same boat. We both forgot our homework. Example 2. They're in the same boat. They both failed to meet their sales targets. They're in the same boat. They both failed to meet their sales targets. In the first situation, I am saying me and my friend, or my friend and I, forgot to do our homework. We are in the same situation. We are in the same boat. Think of it as being on a boat with another person. You could be in the ocean or in a river. If your boat starts to sink, then you're both in the same bad situation. Your boat is sinking and you are both in it. You're both in the same sinking boat. And the other situation, it is also similar. So this expression can be used with two or more people in a situation. It doesn't have to be two only. It could be 2, 3, 4, or more people. You could say we are all in the same boat. So this can also be used in a variety of situations. It could be used in formal and informal situations, at work or at home. They're all okay. So that's all for today. You've learned two important English expressions. missing the boat or miss the boat, and in the same boat, in the same situation. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions, send me a message, leave a comment below, and that's it for today's lesson.